ginger dust. He builds walls with his bucket of rust. He's the one you can trust. It's ginger dust.
What's happening, Bricklaying gang? Just about to upload another re-uploaded one that I done 5 years ago. It's just been for a run for some reason through the forest. Oh, so hopefully you enjoying all the content recently. I hope you all had a good New Year, Happy New Year, good Christmas. I hope to bring you a lot more this year, just as it is. If you're new here, welcome, appreciate it, and hopefully the year brings much enjoyment for everyone. But let's have a look at a video that I done 5 years ago I think. So let's get into this.
So it's going to be, the pipe's going to be right down here.
You'll see up here, and there, wherever this goes up, you'll see.
But then there's something on here, isn't there?
No, apparently not. It's on the top of the board.
The ply will be there, though, won't it?
The ply's here.
Yeah.
There.
Literally.
They do a bit like that, I think. Okay, that goes all the way through. Sorry, and then you see the underside of the board, and also that.
That you think are romantic, but actually just a bit creepy. Suggestions like this from Senior Blackford, this is great. Stuffed teddy bears. This is okay to do if you won it at the fair and you gave...
Cardi B was the first solo female to win Best Verb Album. Kids Spells and Sunshine All Day with highs of 8 degrees. From Global Museum, what's the on
Georgina and Wolverton, when you meet a guy, put numbers, and then they actually call you on the phone and not text.
That's just it.
Why would you do that? Classic. It's got a bit of JT in there. When this is have a guess if it doesn't trigger a memory for you and text in. Time up next.
with Hilton Suzuki Bedford, the new Swift Attitude from just 100.
For North Watford, obviously delays there. Another accident in Kilmarsh on the A14 eastbound at junction 2 involving 4 cars, and there's queuing traffic and the road is past.
Time for rushing around and struggling to think of what's for tea, right? Well, not quite. Because it is home time. It must be
Be there. To verify with the BT.
People find happiness by introducing them to their data self.
I'm in love already.
Find out how your data self at
Just like to say, if you haven't already, subscribe please, like, whatever you do, and hopefully you continue enjoying my videos. Right, Ginger Dust, and hit that bell.
He's the one you can trust. It's Ginger Dust.